fit for you. In this lesson, we will compare and contrast the most popular design software options: Figma, Adobe XD, Sketch, and Framer. Figma is a cloud-based interface design tool that is designed to streamline the design process for teams. One of its standout advantages is its real-time collaboration features, which allow multiple designers to work together on the same design file, making it easy to share ideas and iterate on designs. This feature is particularly valuable for larger, more complex design projects, where many designers may need to work together to create a cohesive final product. In addition to its collaboration features, Figma offers a robust set of design tools that are designed to meet the needs of modern designers. This includes vector networks, which allow designers to create scalable graphics that can be resized without losing quality, making it a great choice for web and mobile design projects. Figma also includes a powerful prototyping tool that allows designers to create interactive prototypes that can be tested and refined, ensuring that designs meet the needs of users. Another standout feature of Figma is its focus on design systems, which allow teams to create a consistent design language that can be used across multiple projects. Figma's design system tools allow teams to create and manage reusable components, making it easy to create designs that are both consistent and efficient. Adobe XD is part of the Adobe Creative Cloud suite of tools and is designed specifically for UX/UI designers. It offers robust design tools, including vector networks, prototyping, and design systems, making it a popular choice for designers looking for a comprehensive solution. Adobe XD also has a strong integration with other Adobe tools, such as Photoshop and Illustrator, making it a good choice for designers who are already familiar with the Adobe suite of tools. Sketch is a vector graphics editor and digital design toolkit developed specifically for Mac OS. Sketch is known for its simple and intuitive user interface, making it a popular choice for designers looking for a streamlined workflow. Sketch is also well known for its user-friendly interface and strong community. The software is well documented and offers a range of resources and tutorials, making it easy for designers to get started and continue to improve their skills. Framer is a design and prototyping tool that allows designers to create high-fidelity interactive prototypes. Framer's strength lies in its robust prototyping capabilities, making it a popular choice for designers looking to create interactive prototypes that are as close to the final product as possible. Another standout feature of Framer is its library of pre-built components, which allows designers to quickly add complex interactions and animations to their designs. This makes it a good choice for designers who are looking for a tool that can streamline the design process and increase their efficiency. When choosing the right design software, it's important to consider your specific needs and the projects you'll be working on. Here are some factors to consider. Collaboration. If you're working on a team, choose a tool that offers robust collaboration features, such as Figma. Integration with other tools. If you're already familiar with other tools in the Adobe Creative Cloud suite, Adobe XD may be a good choice for you. Prototyping. If advanced prototyping is a critical part of your workflow, consider Framer. Cost. Each design software has different pricing plans, so be sure to consider your budget when making your choice. Each software has its own strengths and weaknesses, so it's important to consider your specific needs and projects before making a decision.